It's 7 p.m. on a Friday and your phone lights up. Come out tonight, it'll be fun. You read it, smile, and then do something that confuses almost everyone around you. You say no. Not because you're sad, not because something went wrong, but because the couch, the blanket, and the silence already feel like the best plan in the world. Here's what nobody tells you about that feeling. It's not a flaw. It's your brain doing exactly what it was built to do. Most people assume that choosing home means something is missing. Maybe they think you're lonely. Maybe they think you're afraid. But the truth is far more interesting. Your nervous system has a threshold for how much input it can handle before enjoyment turns into exhaustion. For some, that threshold is sky high. Give them noise, strangers, chaos, and they light up. But for others, that line sits much lower, and crossing it doesn't feel exciting. It feels like standing under a waterfall when all you needed was a glass of water. This isn't just personality. It's chemistry. Your brain processes stimulation through different pathways depending on how your reward system is wired. Some brains crave external input to release feel-good chemicals. Others generate that reward internally through reflection, through calm, through simply being still. That's why a quiet evening feels as satisfying to you as a concert feels to someone else. You're not getting less joy. You're getting it from a different source. But here's where society gets it wrong. We've built a culture around the idea that happiness lives outside, in the plans, in the crowd, in the constant doing, and if you don't participate, something must be wrong with you. That pressure makes people doubt themselves for enjoying the very thing that keeps them balanced. Now, there's an important line to recognize. Choosing home because it restores you is one thing. Hiding at home because the world feels too heavy is something else. One is self-knowledge. The other is a signal worth paying attention to. If home feels like a place where you grow, that's peace. If it feels like the only place you can survive, that might be something deeper asking to be heard. But for those who genuinely recharge in stillness, there's nothing to fix. You notice things others rush past. The shift in light through a window. The warmth of a routine no one else sees. The quiet power of a mind that doesn't need noise to feel alive. So the next time someone asks why you'd rather stay in, remember this. Your peace isn't boring. It's the rarest kind of intelligence, and the world is only beginning to understand it.